In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a vendor bill so your accounts payable and expenses stay accurate and organized. Let's start at the very top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look toward the upper left corner and click on New. This opens the menu where you create different types of transactions. From that list, select Bill. This tells QuickBooks you're recording something you owe to a vendor that you'll pay later, not a payment you've already made. On the bill form, begin by choosing the vendor. This is the company or person you owe. Take a moment to make sure their mailing details look correct. The address is useful for your records and can help ensure your documentation is tidy and consistent. Next, set the payment terms. Payment terms define how long you have before the bill is due, such as net 30. These terms help QuickBooks calculate and track your due dates, which is essential for avoiding late fees and keeping your cash flow predictable. Enter the bill date and the due date. The bill date is the date shown on the invoice you received from your vendor. The due date is when payment is expected. If your payment terms are filled in, QuickBooks may automatically populate the due date, but it's always wise to double-check that it matches the vendor's invoice. Add the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor's invoice. This small detail pays off later when you need to search, match documents, or resolve duplicates. Consistent bill numbers help keep your books clean and make audits much easier. Now, add the details of what the bill is for. Use the Items section when you're recording specific products or services you track, often with quantities and rates. Use the Categories section when you're coding the cost directly to an expense or cost of goods sold account. Choose the option that best reflects how you manage your accounting. Be descriptive in each line and confirm amounts and any applicable details so your reporting remains precise. Once everything looks correct, vendor, mailing details, payment terms, bill date, due date, bill number, and the items or categories, click Save. That's it. QuickBooks records what you owe to that vendor, updates your accounts payable, and the bill will be ready when you're set to pay it. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to enter bills in QuickBooks Online with confidence and clarity.